Ingon siya sa kuan na di ko mahadlok because
Di man siya mahal.
kuan siya.
Naman
Nanay
sila
mga
freedom.
pulis tanong mga pulis.
Oh, di man ta mahadlok dire kay naman sila free. Di man sila mahadlok kay naman sila freedom.
Mm.
Pero ang kita kay ang ato man good, ang victim man good
So-
si Duterte atong protektahan.
Oh, correct. Oh, sir. Di gyud may mga tog na nami diri sa gawas diri sa kung aha siya dapita penitentiaire in Richting Haagland. Mo na siya entrance dira, guys. Bigyan niyo po komot. Actually, it's not really as easy as that, ha, because it needs to yung pagbigay kang tatay ng help or whatnot. It's not as easy as like punta lang tayo na ganito, ganyan. Hindi, because it needs to go to a series of protocol. A very strict protocol. You know what? Even if mingon sila na, oh, we don't want this, we don't want that, we can maybe peacefully protest. Peacefully protest lang ta. Some people are really extreme. I'm more, some people are extreme. Para sa ako, I just want it to be subtle, peaceful. Yeah. So, ito po yung lugar kung saan si Tatay Digong dadalhin mamaya. You know, the main reason why hindi po ako masyadong intense because I really just want a peaceful gathering. That is really the that's just really the objective, to have a peaceful gathering. Nothing more, nothing less. So this is the whole place. Look, from there, here. That's the entrance. Yan po. May police na po, and then I'm pretty sure more police are going to arrive in the scene soon. So ito po yung nangyayari ngayon. Basically, ang nangyayari is we are on a waiting game. Waiting game po talaga yung nangyayari ngayon. And hopefully, we can still wait until he arrives here para po to just perhaps have a glimpse of him, or I don't know. It's just really very, it's a weird feeling.